Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2018 Kawasaki Ninja 400. This is the big brother of the Ninja 300. 10 more horsepower, 25 pounds lighter. Save all the freight and setup on this bike with only 3,000 miles, just $49.99. Beautiful metallic blue, twin cylinder, liquid cooled, fuel injected. This is an awesome lightweight sport bike, great for commuting, great for track days. It's a fantastic first bike. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Save hundreds over the price of new on this gorgeous Ninja 400 sport bike. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.